Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are good. My name is Isaac Newton. I discovered many things and laws. Today's class is physical world. Many of you don't know about physics. Don't worry. Newton here. I will help you. The physical world refers to the world we see around us. It is the world that we perceive through our five senses. It has established laws that govern how things work, which are commonly referred to as physical sciences and laws of nature. Okay, students. Physics is the branch of science that deals with the structure of matter and how the fundamental constituents of the universe interact. It studies objects ranging from the very small, using quantum mechanics, to the entire universe, using general relativity.
Oh, really?
Scope and excitement of physics. Physics tells us about light energy, wave energy, law of nature, calculation about scalar and vector, electricity current, and many more. Thus we say that physics is science of excitement. Now listen. Physics, technology, and society. There are instances where physics give rise to technology. And there are also have been instances where technology gave rise to physics. Physics tells about the society, about natural phenomena, energy laws, and basic tech knowledge, whereas technology helps the society practically by making their life easier.
Professor Newton, what is the fundamental force in nature?
In physics there are four fundamental forces: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force, that govern how objects or particles decay. All the known forces of nature can be traced to these fundamental forces. Gravitational force would be described as a force of attraction that attracts all physical forms having mass. It is by far the weakest recognized natural force. The SI unit of gravitational force G is Newton meters squared by kilograms square.
Pucci. Pace, Professor.
Now listen carefully. Electromagnetic force is a type of physical interaction that occurs between electrically charged particles, and it is the combination of all magnetic and electrical forces. The electromagnetic force can be attractive or repulsive.
Oh.
The strong attraction, or strong nuclear force, is a fundamental interaction that confines quarks into a proton, neutron, and other hadron particles. The strong interaction also binds neutron and protons to create atomic nuclei, where it is called the nuclear force. Weak nuclear force. Weak interaction, also called a weak force, or weak nuclear force, a fundamental force of nature that underlies some forms of radioactivity, governs the decay of unstable subatomic particles, such as mesons, and initiates the nuclear fusion reaction that fuels the sun. So students, this is lesson about physical world. This basic knowledge of science you have to know before you study physics.
Thank you, Professor Newton.
Okay, for today's class, our next class is units and measurement. Be ready. Goodbye. Students, if you like our class, please help us to subscribe and like, comment. Your Professor Isaac Newton.